How to hide active now activity status on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on this profile option given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. You will land to the settings and privacy page. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under how others can interact with you, you will find the option of messages and story replies. Click on that option. Now navigate to this option of show activity status. Now from here, you can easily hide active now activity status on Instagram. All you have to do is toggle off for this option. After you toggle off for this option, now people won't be able to see your last active or currently active on Instagram app. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily hide active now activity status on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.